Hello viewers, you are welcome to Bamaina math class. In this class, we are going to answer a simple Olympiad question. The question says, the sum of two numbers is 8. The sum of their cubes is 20. Find the sum of their squares. It means solution here. We don't know the numbers, so we let the numbers maybe be x and y. So from the information, the sum of two numbers is 8. It means x plus y is 8. So we have x plus y equals to 8. Then again, the sum of their cubes is 20. It means x cube plus y cube is going to give us 20. Now find the sum of their squares. It means we are looking for x square plus y square. So let us take this one as equation 1, this one equation number 2. Now we are going to solve them simultaneously and find the final answer to see whether it corresponds to A or B or C or D. A says 21, B 50, C 23, and D 64. So now we are going to find the value of x square plus y square and see which one is the correct option here. So now equation 1, we have x plus y equals to 8. If you like, you can square equation 1. You square equation number 1. So we have x plus y to be equals to 8. So if you like, you square both sides. Now from there, you have x plus y all square equals to 8 square. So this one can be expanded. If you expand this one, you are going to have x square plus 2xy plus y square. Then equals to, if you square 8, you are going to have 64 because 8 times 8 is going to give you 64. Now from there, if you like, because you are looking for x plus y, and you are looking for x square plus y square, and this is x square plus y square. So you can rearrange. You have x square plus y square. Now this 2xy is positive. Take it to the other side. It will become what? Negative. So it's equals to 64. Instead of plus 2xy here, you are going to have minus 2xy. So this one is another equation. Call it equation number 3. Now again, you take equation number 1 again, and instead of squaring it now, you take cube of both sides. Take equation 1 again. We all know we have x plus y equals to 8. This is equation 1. So we take cube of both sides. We have power 3 here. We have power 3 here. Now from there, if you expand x plus y power 3, it means x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. By binomial expansion, you are going to have x cubed plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cubed. If you expand this one, it will give you this. Then equals to 8 power 3. It means 8 times 8 times 8, which is 512. Now from there, you proceed. You rearrange. You have x power 3, you have y power 3 here. So you can take those with highest powers, that is x power 3 and y power 3. Then plus here, you have 3x square y plus 3xy square to be equals to 512. Now from there, you can factor this because you have 3, you have 3, you have x, you have x, you have y, you have y. So you see 3xy is common. So you have x cubed plus y cubed, then plus 3 is common, x is common, y is common. So now 3x 3 and y are already out. Here is x square. You have one x outside. So remain one x inside. Then this is plus. You have plus. 3x already out. Y square. You have one y here. So remain one y inside the bracket. So it equals to 512. Now from there, we have this one. X cubed plus y cubed. It is there in equation number 2. It means x cubed plus y cubed is 20. So this one can be replaced by 20. So here is 20 plus 3xy into, you also have x plus y from equation 1. You see x plus y is 8. So instead of x plus y here, you can write 8 here. So equals to 512. Now from there, you have 20 plus this 3xy times 8. You multiply 3 by 8, you are going to have 24. Xy equals to, you have 512. So now, from there, from here, you take 20 to the other side. So you see you have 24 xy. This 24 xy should be equals to 512 minus 20. Now from there, you have 24 xy equals to 512 minus 20. It is going to give you 492. So you are looking for xy, you divide both sides by 24. So it means xy equals to 492 over 24. So xy equals to, if you divide 492 by 24, you will have 20.5. So this is your xy. So go back to your equation number 3. You have x square plus y square because you are looking for x square plus y square already. So we have x square plus y square equals to 64 minus 2xy. So we have x square plus y square equals to 64 minus this 2 is there. Then into our xy is 20.5. So we have 20.5. Now from there we have our x square plus y square is equals to 64 minus, if you multiply 2 times 20.5, you are going to have 41. So 64 minus 41, definitely you are going to have 23. So you see 23 is the answer, which is option number what? Number C. Option number C is the correct option. Thank you.